Hey guys, Doc here, Platinum Pro Wash, St. Louis, Missouri. We are here in O'Fallon, Missouri to do a ranch style house for today. Let me get this turned around. Take a look at this ranch style. It got some good dirt on front elevation. This is above the garage, as you can see. Front porch. Gutters and fascia looking pretty scraggly. Lots of cobwebs in the corners. We'll get those down, no problem. Just filth coming out of the winter season. Dusty, front porch area, typical. Luckily there's no shrubbery, or very much of it to worry about killing. We don't kill shrubbery. Take a look at the side of the house here. Got our Flexzilla hose going to the trailer. This side doesn't look too bad. It's kind of hard to tell with all those tree shadows on there. Let's see. Back side of the house. Soffit and fascia. Well, not the soffit, but the gutters and fascia area are really dirty. House is just really dusty. Not a lot of mold, except for those gutters and fascia areas. Get those windows clean. Let's make a note of that. Haven't washed the house yet. There's a hole in the siding. Looks like there's a couple holes in the siding here. Oh man, look at this side. That's good stuff right there. Enough gates. Can you guys see that? Woo, we'll get that good and clean. That's gonna come out nice. They're gonna be happy with that. I don't like those open soffit areas where you see all those nails. Can you guys see that? Look at all those nails. Oh my goodness. I need to get a siding crew to cover that up. So, get you guys some before and after video and pictures of this. Let you see how it all came out. I think it's gonna come out real nice. I think they're gonna be happy. Lots of paint missing on that fascia. Some more holes in the siding. Gotta be careful with that. All in all, pretty easy job. We shouldn't be here very long. Go ahead and get it started and I'll let you guys see the finished product when we're done. All right guys, we're just finishing up on this one and it came out really good. See, all that was there before is now gone. Go around over here to the side. A lot of weep hole seepage, so we're gonna have to kind of let it dry and let the wind blow some of it off, but this was probably the worst side. And as you can tell, it came out really well. All those fascia areas are painted. They're not metal. So I didn't want to mess with that too much because I started spraying some of it and paint started coming off. So decided to leave that alone. But yeah, this side right here was really bad and now it's nice and bright again. Welcome back to life. All the dirt and algae are gone. Go around here to the back of the house. Again, mindful of some of those holes in the siding. This backside was really bad. I left my painter's tape at home, so I just barely brushed over that to make sure not to get any serious concentration of bleach in there. Don't want to fire, that's for sure. Everything looks really good. This came out really clean. Looking good. Windows look good. Almost slipped in some mud. Got the boys over there cleaning up, Noah and Gooch. Disconnecting water. Getting the hose rolled up. So yeah, all in all, a good day at the office. House looks good, homeowners are happy. On to the next one. See you guys.